Hola, Calacucco. This is Luciano from Naples. This is my pot of pasta. As you see, Yuka is coming in the house and finish all the pasta. When the pasta is finished, means that Yuka has come. I would recommend you Yuka for this election, mainly for two reasons. One, because he like fly fishing, and in Italy we don't know we know nothing about fly fishing. And second, because he knows how to eat pasta.